Alaha here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. And if you're an existing subscriber, how you doing? Welcome back. Thanks for joining me. So today I will be filming a Valentine's Day tutorial. Yes, Valentine's Day. I can't believe January is already over and it's almost Valentine's Day. Like, the days are just passing by and it's just ridiculous. I'm not going to talk about it because it depresses me how fast time is going by, and my daughter's going to be 3 the day after Valentine's Day, so I'm like freaking out about that. I decided to go with like a sultry, sexy cat eye look. I kept the eyes simple. This is my version of simple. And then I tried to keep the focus on the lips. Of course I went with a red lip because, I mean, it's Valentine's Day and red lips are pretty freaking cool year-round, especially on Valentine's Day. So anyway, I would like to thank Christian Audette for sponsoring this video. They are a lipstick company and the lipstick that I am wearing today is by them, and I will be showing you 4 other lipstick shades that we will be trying on and swatching together. So yeah, if you guys want to learn how to get this look, please stay tuned. And before we get started, you guys know the drill. Please, please, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below if you have not already, and go ahead and turn on the bell notifications so you guys are notified every time I upload a new video. With that being said, let's jump right on into this tutorial. So the first thing I'm going to do is go in with my Ole Henriksen Sheer Transformation Perfecting Moisturizer and Banana Bright Eye Cream. Just going to be applying this straight to my face. I like to use my ring finger to blend this out because it's not too harsh. Next, I'll be going in with my Fenty Beauty Primer. The foundation I'll be going in with is my Too Faced Cosmetics Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation. And this is in the shade Natural Beige. The concealer and cream contour I'll be going in with is by the Crayon Case, and these are the highlighter concealer pens. I'm going in with the shade 30 to highlight and 60 to contour. Now I'm gonna blend this all out with my Eve Pearl 202 brush. Now I'm gonna go ahead and contour my nose. The translucent powder I'll be going in with today is the Chalk Dust Setting Powder. This is also by the Crayon Case. I tried this powder only once before and I absolutely loved the way it made my makeup look, so I'm going to try it again today so you guys can see. I'm just buffing out the creases under my eyes and using a powder puff. I'm just taking some of this powder and setting it. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and dust off the powder. Basically, I'm gonna dust off the powder everywhere except for under my eyes. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and fill in my brows off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that my brows are filled in, I'm gonna go in with my Soft Ochre Paint Pot by MAC Cosmetics. And I'm gonna use this to prime my lids. The eyeshadow palette I'll be going in with is the Matte Book by The Crayon Case. I'm going to go in with this light brown shade right over here. And I have not used this palette before, so bear with me. And I'll be going in with a Morphe R37 brush. And I'm just gonna take this into the crease. So the reason why we didn't dust off the powder underneath is because I wanted to catch any fallout that may fall from the eyeshadows, but there is no fallout so far. Next, I'll be going in with this darker brown shade right over here. And I'll be going in with the Crayon Case Shadow Blender brush to buff that into my outer crease. Next, I'll be going straight onto the lid with this light beige or off-white shade right here. See, it's not a huge difference, but it just looks cleaner. Next, I'll be going in with that darker brown shade, and I'm just gonna do my lower lash line with this. Next, I'll be going in with my Benefit Cosmetics Eye Bright Pencil to fill in my waterline. And I like to do a light color on the waterline. It just gives the illusion of bigger eyes. Now I'm going to go in with my Benefit Cosmetics Roller Lash Eyeliner and draw a cat eye. Just going to fast forward through this because I already have a cat eye eyeliner tutorial. It's just using a different eyeliner this time. I'm going to go ahead and apply my lashes and my mascara off camera and I'll be right back. These are the style NYC by Lily Lashes. Okay, so now that my lashes are on, I'm going to dust off this powder. Go back in with my eyeshadow brush for my lower lash line because I did get some mascara on there, but that's okay. We can just scratch it off with our brush. And then I'm going to apply mascara on the lower lash line. For my highlighter, I'll be going in with my Danessa Myricks in light highlighter in the shade Sun. I don't think I've used this before, but I'm not sure. It is a powder highlighter. Oh, that's beautiful. On the forehead to give me a nice glow, and chin, and a little on the nose. And for my blush, I'll be going in with my Laura Mercier Peach blush. Okay, so this is the makeup look that we're gonna go with today. So now the moment we've all been waiting for is the lipstick review. So I have here 5 different shades, and this is the box that these lipsticks come in. Again, these lipsticks are by Christian Audet. It is a French company. Everything is made in the USA, but it is formulated in France. And the packaging is really, really nice. I love the matte black boxes, and then you got like the holographic lettering on it. On top of it, you have like a little tiara. I'm a sucker for detail, so any little bit of detail I pay attention to when it comes to makeup packaging. So when you open the box, you get the full-size lipstick inside, and let me show you guys one of my favorite shades, okay? This one here is called Madam CEO, and how stunning is that red? You guys know I love a good red lip, and this looks like it's about to be one of my favorites. and the packaging is very sturdy. It's very high end. You could just see when you turn it how smooth it is. It's not cheap. It's not made poorly. It's made very, very well. So Christian Audette is a vegan brand. They are also paraben free. All they have right now is lipstick, and I believe, if I'm not mistaken, they'll be launching out new products in the future, but right now it's just lipstick, and they are also cruelty free, which is a big bonus for many of you. So according to the website, this lipstick is supposed to be very moisturizing and hydrating. It's supposed to naturally plump your lips, and the pigment and color payoff is supposed to be really, really great. So let's put that to the test. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and try and swatch all 5 of these shades, and you guys tell me what you think down in the comments below. So the first shade that I will be going in with is this shade called Company Card. It is a beautiful peachy nude, and I'm just gonna apply this to my lips. Well, they weren't joking about the color payoff. I don't know if it's showing up on camera since it's a nude, but it's definitely paying off. Gorgeous. So the finish is matte. I love it, but it's like a soft matte. So if you want, you can even go in and mattify it even more by just blotting it slightly a couple of times. And you see how that instantly mattified it a little bit more. The good thing about wearing lipsticks as opposed to liquid lipsticks is they are a lot more hydrating and moisturizing than traditional liquid lipsticks. So if you want that hydration factor of a regular lipstick, but you want the look of a liquid lipstick, this has excellent color payoff. And again, you could just dust some translucent powder over it to mattify it even more. So this is Company Card. The next shade I'll be going in with is called Where's My Limo. This is like a light mauve shade. Look at this color, it's gorgeous. So I'm gonna blot this again. It looks like a liquid lipstick, but it feels like lip balm. It's very moisturizing, and I do see a little bit of a plumping effect, so it is living up to that expectation as well. The next shade I'll be going in with is called Find Me Online. This is like a pale pink color. Wow, this is a gorgeous shade as well. Oh my god, this is gonna be such a hard choice for me to decide which one I'm gonna wear to finish off this look. So this is how it looks with like a satiny matte finish. And then if you want it to be matte, once again, go ahead and blot this. And I really do notice plumper lips. Normally, the majority of lipsticks like to dehydrate and suck the life out of your lips. So to see this moisturizing and plumping effect, it's definitely a nice change. So let's go on to the next color. The next shade I'll be going in with is this beautiful dark wine shade called Burnt Cinnamon. Okay, I'm excited for this one. Okay, pigments. The good thing about these lipsticks are that the edges are very sharp, so you can totally line your lips with it. Oh my god, this is so damn beautiful. And it's so funny because one of my favorite liquid lipsticks is a wine color, and I love it so much, but I don't wear it as much anymore because it really does suck the life out of my lips. Like, it's so drying that I can't even begin to explain it. But this is awesome. Like, it feels like I have on lip balm, but like really sexy lip balm. You know? Cute. Last but not least, we are going to go in with this shade, Madam CEO. This is that beautiful red that I showed you guys before. And for some reason, I feel like this is gonna be the winner for today's look since it is Valentine's Day and red is kind of the theme. So let's see how it looks. Do you guys see that? Like, for real. Are you looking at what I'm looking at? Because this is insane. You guys, I'm beyond obsessed. Look at this lipstick. Look at this color. Ding, ding, ding. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a winner. You can't even front. This looks so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair because I can't step out of my house and on a date with this hair right over here and these little cat ears. And then I'll be right back to tell you guys how I feel about these lipsticks. Okay guys, so I decided to put my hair in a low bun because it's super cute and romantic and very, very easy. And it makes me look like Madam CEO, hence the lipstick name. So yeah, these lipsticks are absolutely amazing. I am really impressed with the quality, the pigment, the moisture, the hydration behind every single lipstick that I tried today. I especially love this one. I just feel like everybody needs a good red lipstick in their kit or in their makeup bag if you're not a makeup artist. And on top of that, I think this shade is one of those shades that will go with a lot of different skin tones. So whether you have a medium skin tone, olive skin tone, very, very pale, or ebony skin tone, it doesn't matter. I feel like this shade would be good for you. And I just can't get over the fact that it's doing the complete opposite of most of my lipsticks. It's actually hydrating and plumping my lips as opposed to shriveling them into nothingness and making them feel so damn dehydrated. I know you guys can relate. I know you guys know what I'm talking about. So this is definitely a formula that I could see myself wearing on a day-to-day basis. I absolutely love it. There's nothing that I would change about this. The packaging is amazing. The lipstick colors are amazing. And on top of that, the color payoff is amazing. And that's a bonus for me. Oh, and before I forget, I do have a coupon code with them. You can use the code ALAHA if you want to save, I think it's 10% or so. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this little date night Valentine's Day tutorial. So yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching. I really appreciate all the support that you guys give me. I love you all so much. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel down below if you haven't already. And please go ahead and turn on the bell notifications so you guys are notified every time I upload a new video. And if you are not already following me, then please go ahead and follow me on all my other social media outlets. I have Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. All of that is at Makeupbyalaha. I love you guys so much. Thank you for tuning in, and I will see you all next time. Bye.